My dad started this company in 1973. It's a different version of this company, obviously, today. But yeah, he opened up a 2-bay Shell gas station in downtown Oconomowoc.
Born and raised in automotive, I was pumping gas and running my dad's Shell station at 7, 8 years old. It's been in my blood. Through high school, I knew this was my passion. This was what was meant for me.
I grew up around the shop doing cleaning and putsy stuff around the shop, and I just found that I had a gift for it, and I was pretty good at auto repairs. What's next? Learned the business of auto repair and started growing the business. It's just been a passion being a student of the industry and found creative ways to do things differently over the years, and our customers and our staff has rewarded that, and we've grown quite a bit over the last 20, 25 years now.
I'm very proud of my sons. They both have taken, what little I started with and grown it just gigantic leaps and bounds in the business, and they're both very well respected in the industry.
Oconomowoc is our main store. We call it our headquarters, our original store, our largest, our flagship store where we work out of. Our second location is in North Lake, which is just about 15 minutes away from here. It's just north of Heartland, Wisconsin. Our third location is in Brookfield, so we're getting a little bit more closer to the Milwaukee market, but it's in Brookfield, Wisconsin, right off of Capitol Drive in Calhoun. Kind of the same story in our New Berlin location. That's on busy roads in National and Moreland. It's been a great location for us also. It's been a place that's been growing fast. Everybody says, well, what makes you special? Well, it's our people, right? But I think it's more than our people. It's the character of the people that we hire, and it's the values that we appreciate, and we show them how we appreciate them, and we don't let anything get in the way of that. So I just made a commitment to those values of teamwork, just doing the right thing, and letting nothing get in the way of that, and hiring people who wanted to experience that and wanted to be a part of that. When you come into the buildings and you come into our company, you feel it.
We're in the auto industry, but really it's a people industry. We're trying to solve for the person's problem, and that problem is I need my car so I can do X. And they trust us to do that for them and deliver that, and that's, I guess, our number one priority is putting trust first. And if you strictly focus on fixing the car, sometimes that trust aspect gets pushed aside, but if you focus on the person and the individual and really what their needs are and treat them like family, that's something that's not easy to come by. It takes years and years to develop, and really just 1 minute to lose, and we recognize that, and we try to operate in such a manner that we're always facilitating that trust and confidence.
I think a lot of it is the way we take care of people and take care of our customers. One of our thoughts here at Silver Lake is that we're a family here, and they're not just treated as a number. They're able to come in and physically talk to a lot of the same people through the years, be able to communicate what their needs are, and we're able to really get them on track for their specific needs.
Having somebody that you can trust, having somebody that will communicate and tell you what you need to be planning for, and somebody that cares about you is probably the number one thing that you should be looking for in a partner, and Silver Lake is certainly that to us.
You come in and we treat you like your family. It's not coming in, it's not a transactional relationship by any means, it's very personal.
It's the whole design of the company is to really take care of the customer, make sure everything that they want or need is done with the vehicle. We want to see the car back, we want to see you back, That's the big thing. It's not just about the car, it's about the people.
We try to wow the customer at every chance we can get and kind of set ourselves apart from all the other service centers out there. There's lots of options that people can choose from, and so we try to really be the top-notch shop that's out there. That they expect a quality product for their car and a place to invest their hard-earned money in, and we want to be that spot.
If they take care of us, we're going to take care of their customers' cars, and the cycle repeats. They're going to want to come back because they had a good experience with us.
I love being able to see the car leave running great, better than it was when I had it.
Technology is another huge thing here that we're able to show the customer. It gives them that transparency that how the repairs are taken care of all the way from the inspection process right through to the end, and customers really enjoy that stuff.
We've always looked at what is the leading edge of the industry and where is it going, and what is it that we can help bring to the market faster than anybody else and kind of pioneer it. And now it's part of who we are, it's part of our DNA. It's
one of our main things is we've been earning customers' trust since 1973. It's who we are. We're not out to make a dime in a hurry. We're going to take care of you. We're going to do the right things. There's a lot of options out there. We can service anything from your Honda to your Tesla.
I'd love it if you came on down and spent some time with our team to see what we can bring to you. There is something different going on here, and you really got to come and feel it and experience it.